everybody, welcome back to my channel Learn with Virali. I'm Virali, your guide on this coding adventure. In episode 25 of Introduction to CSS Beginner Series, we'll be understanding how to use pseudo class elements in order to style our different elements on HTML web pages. So let's get pseudo class is a keyword that can be added to selectors in order to style a specific part of the selected element. Let us take, for example, instead, if we need to style the hover event onto a button, we can use the button tag along with the hover method, which we can use it to change the button color so that we can understand that whenever the user points onto the button, that is when he or she hovers over the button, the color of the button changes. So the syntax looks something like this. We should need a selector, which is where we'll be having our button tag, and then we'll be having a hover instead of pseudo class, giving the property value as color colon the desired color, maybe red, yellow, blue, etc. Let us take a very small yet simple example in order to understand this. So I'll be having a p tag here in which I'll be defining an a tag with the href as in the reference, then I'll be specifying it as pseudo.html, and once this is ready, let me give the name here as Learn with Virali as the particular link or the anchor tag link that we are looking here. Now, I'm interested in styling this particular link that I have here in order to add an extra styling. So what I will do here is, let me just quickly add a style tag here, wherein I'll be giving a colon hover, which is the effect that I wanted to have. Then let me give the color here as red, and let's increase the font size by 20 pixel. Now, if I save this file and as soon as I hover over it, if you can notice the color is changing, yet the size also is increasing here. So this is nothing but typically helping us to give an extra styling to our element here. So as per our definition, the selector here is our a tag, which is an anchor tag, and the pseudo class is nothing but the hover effect that we have given. That is, as soon as we point our mouse pointer on top of this particular link, we should be able to see the changes in here. If this video was insightful, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel as it helps me to create more such insightful videos. Until then, happy coding.